Here is a triangle ABC. I'd like to construct a line through vertex C perpendicular to AB. To do so, I'll tap the Perpendicular tool. A preview appears of a segment and a line perpendicular to the segment passing through a point. The segment is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I want to construct a line that's perpendicular to AB, so I'll tap AB to attach the two segments. Now the point is glowing. I want my perpendicular to pass through vertex C, so I'll tap C to attach the 2 points. My tool is complete. I have constructed a line perpendicular to AB passing through vertex C. Here is another example. I'd like to construct a line perpendicular to AB passing through endpoint A. I'll tap the Perpendicular tool and then tap to attach the glowing segment to AB. Now I'll tap to attach the glowing point to point A. My tool is complete. I have constructed a line through point A that is perpendicular to AB. Suppose I'd like to build this same construction again, right here, but now I don't have a segment to start with. In this case, I'll tap the tool, and then I'll tap to place the segment. But I can't, even though I'd like to, tap the segment's endpoint to attach the glowing point. Instead, I'll tap near the endpoint. Now, with the tool complete, I'll drag this point to the endpoint and let go when the point starts to glow. The 2 points are attached. I've constructed a line that is perpendicular to the segment passing through its endpoint. Here is one last example. I'll repeat what I just did. I'll tap the tool and then tap to place the glowing segment. Now I'll tap to place the glowing point near the segment. The tool is complete. I'd like this point to sit on the segment, so I'll drag it to the segment and then let go when the point glows. The point is now attached to the segment.